What's up, Art of Construction? It's a beautiful day in Denver, Colorado, and we're here at the Denver Experience Center, anchored by Mountain View Window and Door, my amazing window and door company. And today we're honored to be working through CBUSA with all of our great partners here today, sponsoring through Andersen Windows. And we're super stoked. I'm gonna take you back. I love to get behind the scenes as we're doing our final setup. Huge shout out to Lexi Worth, the art of organizing. She is putting this thing together, and I love to get behind the scenes. She's working with our superstars at Mountain View Window and Door. Stephanie, you see him back there, to where this is just a glimpse into the window of how we're having as much fun as possible here at Mountain View Window and Door today. Crush it out there today, tribe.
Smith. I came out here kind of on a limb back in January from a lumber yard. Dealt with a lot of windows back home, and really caught my eye this showroom in Mountain View, and I just came in here one day and dropped the resume off and met Gunther and Devin and kind of hit it off with them, and they offered me a job and I took it. So, yeah, been out here for a few months, really loving Colorado. My wife Lexi back there, we just purchased a house, getting ready to move in. I'm going to hand it over to Devin, our owner of Mountain View Window and Door.
Awesome. Let's go to the next slide. I think kind of 7 times for the first time, who's who. I'm Devin Tilley, the top and bottom of Mountain View Window and Door. I asked everybody to say their favorite beverage because I started the Art of Construction podcast in 2014, and we just did our 300th episode. So I've had the pleasure of asking over 300 people around the globe what's their favorite beverage and what they like to do. And ironically, the serendipity is whenever anybody asks me that question, I always say the next bourbon. So I now know I'm really going to host a bourbon event, and in fact, Friday night we're having a big bourbon party at our cool house in Hilltop. And that's what the whole idea of what we're trying to do, right? Like, what do we like to do, and people that you like to be around, and that's what we kind of filtered this conversation around today.
Bedroom 2 in your notes. You know what I'm saying? When you're giving your description of the window?
No, yeah, we do that.
You give it a location.
No,
yeah.
we put, if you have a window number on the plan, we're doing the window number,
right,
the floor that it's on, the room that it's in, and the direction it's pointing.
Yeah, exactly.
So unless there's 5 windows in that wall, you can probably find that window by the label.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you guys do some multifamily, small multifamily, as well as custom. So yeah, you'll probably go from 15 to 45 over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.